Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Monday. See this look? You want to see how it came together? Do you need some motivation for your Monday? Do you need to be pumped up to achieve your goals for the rest of the week and beyond? Then you go right ahead and keep watching this video. So today, guys, we are going to get into this gold liquid shadow from e.l.f. I am literally obsessed with these shadows and they are super affordable. These shadows were only $5. And of course, we're going to get into our eyes first because they are the star of the show. Speaking of the star of the show, we're going to talk about you and the pressure that you apply to the world. When it comes to pressure bursts pipes. You are the type of pressure that people don't want to handle. The reason that people don't like you, the reason that people go after the things that you do, the reason that people watch you and imitate you is because you are some pressure. Whether you know it or not, there is someone out there that is watching everything that you do. Even if it's to say, if they can do it, I can do it. That's your pressure. That's the pressure that you are applying to the world. That is the fire that you are lighting under someone. When you ignite a fire under or in someone, you are starting something. You start something because you were able to do it. So now people feel like they can do it. Or even they have to prove that they can do it better than you because you are pressure. You are smart. You are an innovator. You are talented. You are blessed. That is the reason that people go after what they go after because you have already done it. You are an innovator and you move. So when you move and you show people that you can move and that things are possible, they feel that they can do the same exact thing and they try it. I want you guys to pay attention to this highlighting method that I'm using now. You start off in the corner and then you go up to the side to pull the eyes open. You leave the middle open and then you blend it so that it opens and widens up the face. And this really draws attention to the eyes and really make them pop and open them up and not drag your face down. When you do the upside down triangle, it puts the attention to the middle of your face. However, when you take that highlight and you scoop it up towards your temples, it draws the attention to the upper part of your face and widens the face and pulls it open. And then, of course, we're going to set that highlight with some Banana Deep Powder from Makeup Revolution. And of course, I have listed all of my products below. When it comes to applying pressure and making sure that you leave your mark on the world, never apologize for who you are. Don't apologize for the talent that you bring. Don't apologize for the ideas that you bring. And don't even apologize for how uncomfortable you make people. When you make people uncomfortable, they will see that they need to be better, that they need to move. They need to use their talent and their gifts. Everyone has gifts. And saying that you apply pressure to someone is not negative. It is not to say that you're better than anyone or that you were made to do and they cannot do. It is just saying that the reason that people think that things are possible is because you have had the ability to do it. You are smart. You are talented. You are blessed. You are worthy. So the reason that you have some sort of following or someone is watching you is because of your pressure. It is the mark that you are leaving on the world. And whether you know it or not, you are so needed. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this look. I love these liquid shadows from e.l.f. I am definitely obsessed. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please follow me on Instagram at CandiceRayCan. Don't forget, I am having my first arts and class of the year. It will be virtual, but seats will be limited. So make sure you get your tickets early. Thank you again for watching. See you later.